how to withdraw money from Prizepicks without a bank account. So you can use other methods for withdrawal instead of a bank account. As you can see right here, once you deposit funds, you want to use the same method that you want to cash out to. So you can do credit or debit card. You can also use PayPal and Apple Pay. So if you want to withdraw your money without a bank account, you will just ignore this one, instant bank transfer, and you will use either of those other methods. So Apple Pay, PayPal, or credit card. You will use that one to deposit funds into. Next, you will type the amount you want to deposit into your account, and let's say we want to withdraw money now. How can we do it? You will click on the three lines here in the top left corner of the Prizepicks app, and then you will click on request withdrawal. Then you will just choose the method which you used to add funds to your Prizepicks account. So for example, Apple Pay, and that is going to send the funds to your Apple Pay and no bank account will be required. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.